people, especially pregnant Haitian people, already in the DR, so not on the border, along with homophobic and transphobic laws and attitudes, are legacies from slavery. What are your plans to rid the Dominican Republic of the racist attitudes of homophobia, transphobia, and colorism?
Let me tell you, 85% of the Dominican people are mixed race. There has never been an issue of race, a real issue of race.
There is an issue of race in the Dominican
that's my
Republic
opinion.
today.
That's your opinion, and I am telling you.
It's not an opinion, it's something that a lot of people
but my opinion is
a lot
that
of people darker than you could tell you.
Yes.
I mean, this should be a respectful exchange of opinions, so please do not.
I would love it to be a respectful exchange.
Yes, so we have never had a problem, of race. In any society, you have a small area that you can have problems. You have it here in this country. You have it here in a lot of other countries, even in the most democratic. That is for any democratic country and that respect and fight for the rights of the people, that's unacceptable. What I am telling you, that's not a white problem in the Dominican Republic, because we are mixed race. Most 85% is a mixed race. We are also daughters or grandsons of immigrants. The situation with Haiti, I don't think that there is any other country in the world that has this amount of statistics about maternity hospital. Could you name just one country in the world that 35% of its maternity beds are occupied by other country people? Just mention one country. There is no one.
United States, I believe.
I don't think United States have 35% occupied by foreigners in the maternity hospital. So, and we are not a rich country. Do we charge anything? You know that we don't charge nothing
Women are being removed forcibly and are being hurt, and they're.
Well, that's your opinion, but that's not the real issue that we have there.
You can see the records from.
Well, that's not the real situation.
Yes, it is.
And we are having, well.